My name's Casper Jones. I handcraft skateboards for Life Skateboards, and you're watching Days with Casper. This is a series called Life Takes Shape, where I'm going to show you a shape we make here at Life Skateboards, and then take you through the steps I'm responsible for before we throw some graphics on them. There are a lot of shapes and options here at Life Skateboards, so when you're done with this video, head over to lifeskateboard.com and check us out. And don't forget to subscribe. You can catch me doing this work live and ask any questions you've got for me. If you catch those lives, you'll see the rest of the process, like gluing, pressing, cutting, and even graphic applications. But for this series, we're going to focus on shaping. I hope you enjoy Life Takes Shape. Today on Life Takes Shape, we've got the Boar from Life Skateboards. Now this one's an 8-ply, but it usually comes as a standard 7-ply. You can get a 6, 7, or 8-ply from us. You just gotta let us know when you order your board. This has a length of 29.9 inches, a width of 11 inches, a 1.5 or 2.5 inch nose, a 6.8 inch tail, and a double drilled wheelbase with 16.5 and 17.5 inch options. You can get whatever wheelbase you want. After this video, just go to lifeskateboard.com and get yourself a life. I'm going to shut up and shape this. Well, this 8-ply board from Life Skateboards is ready for graphics. Go over to lifeskateboard.com and get yourself a life. Sorry about missing a little bit of the process there. I had some trouble filming, but go ahead and subscribe for me. You can catch me working live and see the rest of the process yourself. And stay tuned for more Life Takes Shape.